This is lot 352, which you can hear coming up on the stage now. This is the 1971 Plymouth Barracuda RestoMod. It's a remarkable show-quality rotisserie photo-documented restoration. It's been tastefully updated RestoMod for driving enjoyment. And it's presented with an impressive 440 cubic inch V8 that's been stroked out to 500 cubic inches, features Indy cylinder heads, a desirable six-pack setup, and produces a remarkable sound.
I guess so. 10, how to get it 110, 110, now 20, 100, how to get it 110, 120, 100, how to get it 120, 120, 120, 110, 120, 130, 100, 130, 100, how to get it 130,000, get it 130, 100, how to get it 130, 130, 130, 125, get it 130, 130, 130, 135, 135.
Laser straight body panels and fitment finished in Hemi Orange. It features air conditioning, Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes, and an aluminum radiator, and comes with an invoice stack about this thick. This thing is truly incredible.
Look at underneath, up on the screen. It's just as clean as it is on top. Unbelievable build. Brandy new. 135. 137. The car is selling all the way. 136, 137, 137, 137, 138. 138, 78, how to get 138,000, get it 138 and a half.